Today we're going to be talking about three linked loci in cats, which are eukaryotic organisms. And today's alleles we're going to be looking at are involved in ear shape, ear size, and ear hair. So pointed ears are going to be dominant to rounded ears, as shown right here. Tall ears are going to be dominant to short ears. And not hairy ears are going to be dominant to hairy ears. And these can be shown by these alleles right here. If we were to have a heterozygous individual, it would have a dominant allele and a recessive allele for each of the ear size, ear shape, and hairy of the ears. And it would only show the dominant traits. To get this individual, we would have to have a homozygous dominant parent and a homozygous recessive parent. So that would be a pointed-shaped, tall-sized, no hair, either mother or father, that was crossed with a round-shaped, short-eared, hairy father or mother. And these individuals would look like this. I've put a genetic map down here that I created using these individuals with the homozygous recessive parent on the top and the homozygous dominant parent on the bottom, and we can see the region distances are also shown here. Here's the table of the probabilities of events occurring and the probability of the gametes resulting with a constant shown down here. So, for example, if we wanted to find the double crossover, we would have to find region 1 times region 2 times the constant. Region 1 is 5 centimeters, region 2 is 3 centimeters, and our constant is 0.85. Timesing all these together will give us this answer right there. To get the gamete, we'd have to times this probability that we just got times 1/2, which would result in this answer right here. To get the single crossover in region 1, we would have to do region 1 minus a double crossover. So region 1 is 5 centimeters. The double crossover we just found is that answer right there. So that minus that gives us this answer right here. And to find the gamete, we just times 1/2 times what we just got there. And that gives us that answer right there. These are all the offspring that would result from these parentals. So to be able to determine if they're single crossover, double crossover, no crossover, and where, we would look at the map. If anything crosses over in this region, it's going to be crossover in region 1. That would be round, tall, and no hair, or pointed, short, and hairy, because the crossover happens here. If it was single crossover in region 2, it would be round, short, and no hair, or pointed, tall, and hairy, because they cross over here. If it was double crossover, they would cross over in both regions. It would be round, tall, and hairy, or pointed, short, and no hair. And if they're no crossover, they are the parental types, so it's pointed, tall, and no hair, or round, short, and hairy.